Is there a timer going on the bottom?
Oh, yeah, it's going.
Okay. I don't know if... No, I feel it going up.
That is...
That worked. That's everything right there. I pulled a lot of his hair out to do that.
What do we got?
And then, I think you ripped the head off, which is pretty much...
Just twist and pull.
I feel like this head's already off, but... And then, I think it's just a matter of like... getting in the fur.
Thick coat.
Just got his winter coat on. There may still be. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, here's the liver.
Liver.
No, lung.
Is that a lung? And then there's probably like an esophagus or
All
something.
I can think about is my dog.
How much fun he'd be having.
Oh, that'd be awful.
Okay. Let's see. I think you can just kind of pull his arm out.
Yeah, liver's right here. Those are the lungs.
Alright, let's see. Maybe just being a little too sissy with it.
Yeah, there you go.
I will say, watching that guy Pete do it on YouTube, he certainly did it better than this. Took him a few seconds. I'm gonna have to get my practice. Starting to see how it works though.
There you go.
And then maybe just one big pull.
Pop off the tail. Probably have a little bit of intestines and stuff. Maybe. Nothing a little knife wouldn't clean out.
True.
So I don't know. Don't have
Might be time for a knife.
I feel like there should be like an esophagus or something to pull from, but I mean, kind of look in his chest cavity. It's pretty
clean.
Yeah, it's pretty clean down. So
That's amazing.
yeah, that was a knife right here would be nice. And there's just like a little bit of stuff.
Yeah.
God, it's nothing that wouldn't clean up with a quick hose. Crazy.
There you go.
Well,
Popped it out.
got stew.
Got some stew.